Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Wednesday the 21st of June and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we're going to look at the charts of the US dollar against the Japanese yen. What we'll see is that there's a bit of a divergence between what the daily charts are saying and what the weekly and the 4-hour charts are saying. The daily charts could be pointing to further upside, but there is resistance to be overcome on the weekly and the 4-hour. So here we are on the daily. I've kept a downtrend line in place that I drew for a previous video. Because even though it has been broken a couple of times, it's still possibly a factor, and you can see actually even after it had been breached in May that when we came to the end of May it was a resistance level, and we have gone back above there, which is one of the reasons why I'm reasonably positive on this daily picture. What I also like about it is that we've now gone back above the moving averages and they're all now moving upwards. So we've got the 20 virtually at the 200 at 110.7 and then the 50-day at 111.12 with the index at that level 111.2 and so giving support and moving upwards. And I'm hoping that they could give the trampoline effect to get this currency above the 112 and into the next kind of key resistance level, which is this pattern of lower highs, which needs to breach 114 spots about 3 to break that pattern. And so it's a key resistance level. What you're also seeing is that the RSI has ticked back above 50. We've possibly had a double bottom here on the FX as well, and then that was confirmed. That was a non-confirmation on the RSI because the RSI at the right hand bottom was above the previous left hand. So that's all positive. Momentum's building up. The RSI now above 50, 52, and the MACD also just starting to shout a buy signal. So all very positive from the daily. If you look at the weekly, however, you can see that we've got immediate resistance from the downtrending 20-week moving average, 111.7. That it needs to be broken. It is positive that we're bouncing off the rising 200-day moving average. So mixed signs there. The RSI is actually flat 49.5, so not above 50, and the MACD are still tracking downwards. On the 4-hour, here we've got immediate resistance from the 24-hour, which is now rolling over, and then the 204-hour, 111.46, which is tracking down and did seem to cause the resistance, even though it did go above it. It's still moving down, so therefore still a factor when we moved above it yesterday. So they're both negative influences on this 4-hour, and here you can see that the RSI has actually started to create a downtrend. It's not yet back below 50, 53, but the MACD flashing a warning sign as well. So definitely mixed pictures coming through from the dailies and the other charts. On the support resistance levels, resistance at the 204-hour, 111.46, then the 20-week moving average, 111.7, with immediate supports at 110.91, that's the 200-week, and second support 110.67, which is the 200-day. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the US dollar against the Japanese yen. I hope you found the video of interest. Just to put it on the screen, my recommendations, although it is mixed. As I said, the daily, there is a divergence between the daily and what the weekly and 4 hours are saying, but we are above a previous downtrend. We're also on the daily above the moving averages, and the upside momentum is building, but there is resistance on the weekly and the 4 hour, and as I mentioned, there is that divergence between the two. Thanks for watching this video. If you got this far, well done. If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. I'm coming out with videos almost every day, not just on FX like this video, also looking at commodities, equity indices and individual equities. But please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.